C. Yo, up boys. Hello.
Tapos kala naman na-delete nga sila kanina. Tingnan nyo.
Mabilis lang sila kasi malapit
patay mo to.
Outpost sa kanila kanina.
Sige,
Tsaka ang dami nilang heavy mace, ang dami nilang stopper.
Sobra.
Patayin niyo eh.
Hold, hold. Okay na ako. Continuous. South. South. Southeast. Pumunta po mga to. Okay. Nasa bridge sila. They're do bridge fight. Okay. Now, ang discarte natin dito, backline. Backline kayo dito. At here, at here, at here, at here. At here, wag kayo pumesto sa ano, makakalamp ng ano, Earth Rune. Stabilize lang. Q's and W's lang range time. Defensive, continuous hold lang. Wait lang. Masterin yan. Hold kayo dyan. Chill. Chill again. Q's and W's lang. We do chill again. Chill. Sishi nag-abang lang rin no, Sishi ah. Nag-abang na mag-kill sila. Q's and W's lang. Yung mga nasa ka. Ano. Stabilize at west side ah. Stabilize at west side.
Ito na po space ah.
Wait lang.
Pwede
Wait lang ngayon na. Wait lang. Okay. Si ba't hindi gumagalaw si Shi? Ayun, okay, nahugot na si Shi. Nahugot si Shi, tsaka si Pacman nandun. Okay, they're in, they're in. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Pop your boot. On, in now, in. 3, 2, 1. On me, drop on front. Nice, good job. Okay now, back. The knight armor, they need you. Nice, good job. Okay, northwest now. 5 seconds. Chill again. Second chill. Third chill.
Build the fight. Build the fight yung on front break.
Chill.
They clapping ah. They
Wait.
can... Pwede pa tayo mag-push.
Oo, saglit lang. Mag-in yan. In, okay. We do counter now. No. May defensive sila sa front. Okay. Wait now. Follow here. Follow the middle ah. Follow at the middle. We do deep. Ready? 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Pull deep now. 3, 2, 1. Pull deep. Drop all.
Down. Mamatay ako.
Back. Pull back Hiraya. Pull back. Pahilyunod ako ng front. Pahilyunod. Yung kaya mamatay mga kasama nyo. Full heal. Judicator armor. Guardian armor.
Hindi ako. Hindi ako namatay.
Southwest. Another bridge. We regroup another bridge. Ang dami namatay sila na mo. Tactician.
Stuck si shit.
Nagigid ba gagawin?
She can move. Okay.
Fusion W's guys oh.
Back muna. Tapos kayo. We do counter ah. 3 seconds. Wait, 3 seconds ah. 2 seconds. We do deep now. 3, 2, 1 on front. Drop on front. Kulang talaga pre. Hindi talaga nakakasabay yung defense natin.
Back mana. They coming. Back mana. Sige, inaon ko.
Night armor ako ng front. Night armor. Lahat ng DPS, guys, kailangan na natin mag-seeking dito. Pangalawang club na to. Hindi nagsusustain. West. Come west. 3 seconds. 2 seconds ha. 1 second. Deep is now. 3, 2, 1 on me. Pick up. Drop on me. See, yung RB lang pre. Yung perma wala.
Defensive boys.
Defensive.
Hindi, wala. Hindi, walang labas yung root bone doon. Kahit na naka-root bone yun, mahuhuli ng perma yun.
Ang carry sige, nandito na.
West. Full west si Raya. Guys, hindi tayo makakadelete ng ganito. Hindi nagsisigil yung defense natin. In. Go in. Pull in. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Deep is now. Pop your boots. Deep is 3, 2, 1 on front line. Pull.
Nice.
Punit.
Back. Back inside, back inside, back inside, back inside. Defensive, defensive. Heal yun wood, heal yun wood. Night armor, Darian, night armor. Nice,
Sige,
job,
na-
lang. 9
Pwede
seconds,
ka counter pa pa? We can
Wait.
counter.
6 seconds. Chill. Back mo na konti. 3 seconds. Now. We do north we do north We do north We do north. Ready. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Now. Deep. East. North. 3. 2. On front. No, cancel. Don't drop. Okay, back.
Di kami.
Defensive. Pull muna. Full hold muna. Full hold muna. Hold muna. 9 seconds. 8 seconds.
Yung iba.
5 seconds. 4 seconds. Okay na, follow. Heal muna kayo. Heal. Okay, Hiraya, out at north side. North. Go. Pa hold ako. Below deep east ha. Deep east. Minute. Kailangan ko ma-hold dyan. Wait. Defensive. Nice place. Come back inside. Sige, go. We go back. South. Inside. Go inside. Let's go inside. We do deep east ha. Deep east now. Palo. North now. 3, 2, 1. North now. Trip. Drop all on north.
Cleanse! No cleanse at the back.
Back again. Back again inside. Defense mo front. Pull in. Oh yan, may duty na kayo sa front door. Oh.
Medyo malayo yung clock mo ba?
Hindi sila sinasabi ko naman kung saan sila magkakalam. Hindi
Gamitin nyo yung Judy yung boots nyo pagka ano.
Nakikita
pa.
ka boss. Nakikita ka ng depth tank pag nagbubot ka.
Ang obvious ng ano natin.
Obvious na. Yung medyo malapit lang boss. Sa harap lang.
We do deep east ha. Deep east now. 3, 2, 1 on me. Oh,
Eh no? Ang bilis nating
Nakikita ka pag nagbubot ka. Medyo malayo yung boss.
Naabangan lang ng mga kalaban na mag-boots ka. Pag nakita nag-boots ka,
Yung lang mo na sigaw boss. Yung boss.
Yan yung mag-ultimate.
All spread na lang tapos gitna.
All-spread na lang, all-spread. Huwag tayo magdikit-dikit. Kahit
guys. Spread,
May
spread,
link
spread.
lang natin.
That's it.
nakakapasok naman, basta all-spread lang.
Enemies on south din ha.
Looking sila, engaging.
On south, the meat on south.
South. Deep east gate ha. East gate now. Ready, east gate now. 3, 2, 1 on east gate. Double.
Double. Sayang.
Yan yung kanina pang nangyayari. Kanina pa sinasabi, east na position lang doon east. Bakit hindi na-drop on south now?
Nakaano boss na i-steer charge. Tapos
Hindi.
walang...
Walang snare charge dito. Kung sino, wala
Yung
dito.
backline boss, kaso meron sana ng battle frenzy eh. Gamit kayo battle frenzy pagka mag-engage para di kayo marut.
Hindi, I mean dito. Yung dito, ayun naklam ko yung east. Nakapag-drop rin doon. Ewan ko, 2-3 lang.
Nasa west sila, west.
Wala na dito. I mean is dito guys. So, wala nang nag-hold, wala nang GA.
Di kami
Engage na sila boss.
Okay namin na namatay ako.
Back at west.
Ay, ko.
West.
Wala ako.
We do west. West. Full west. South.
Entire na yung boss ha.
South. Sino gusto ngayong bro? South. Defensive. Do defensive. Full defensive. Counter ah. We do counter. Counter now on front ah. 3, 2, 1 on front. Drop all on front. Two can drop. Wala rin. Video good. Opito. Wala na masa ka na. Kami side.
Nasa east side yung ano yung tama natin.
We go in. Regroup. Inside. Lahat ng mga kapasok. Regroup muna tayo.
Nasa isang ano ba? Ay, nasa isang carnage ah. Pasok na iba guys. Pasok.
Wiwak.
Looking sila, pasok ng ano. Pasok ko.
Out. Just follow the front.
Yes, out.
Out.
Mount up nyo nila, yung sobrang layo na, nandito na caller nyo, nasa OP pa kayo, mount up kayo, mount up. Caller
Sige,
nyo
na-hold
na, nasa OP pa kayo, mount up iba.
South na. Wait muna natin sila rito.
Pwede din dito sa beach boss ah.
Hindi, nandito yung Carnage eh. Hindi pa sila pupunta dyan. Ang tagal din bumabad nila ron sa OP ah. Okay.
Natanong
West side.
sa
Looking sila sa north.
West. Kasi double siya yung front line. Boom, huli na naman. West.
Hindi ko counterbox ah.
West. Wait lang. Ayun na, nag-clap ulit sa loob. Nag-clap na. Nag-clap. Defensive. West. Full west lang. Kailangan mag-position muna kayo. Now we do deep east ha. Deep east now. Pop your boot. Deep east. 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop on me. Ano?
Na-hold sila.
Mas na-charge ulit.
May na-hold na naman sila sa kanila.
Mas na-charge.
Back. Full west. West. Pull back west. West, then go north. Okay, pa-hold ako ng choke. Hold the choke. Okay, follow. All defense, follow. Go north side. All defense, north side. Ikot. Kaya naman pala yung pagkakit natin mo.
Umikot lang kami, dihati na dun.
Oh, now look south. Status ng Carnage, nasa south pa? Okay, nandito si Shi, okay. Stabilize, hug the wall west. We hold this line. We will hold this line na. Huwag na kayo magpa-front kasi makakanto kayo dyan. Okay, defensive. Hold lang at the crown. Counter now 3, 2, 1, on front. Big clap on front. Nice drop, nice. Now full back east.
Carnage.
Full back east. East. Hold ako na ito. Hold ako ng front. East. Full back east. Just cut back east. Doon sa naka-firewall. East. Kamat east. East. Down na then south. East then south. 5 seconds to counter. 4 seconds to counter. How many defense you have? East and south. South. I think kailangan natin mag-meet sa bridge. Meet sa bridge all. Tagos sa kabilang bridge. Tagos sa kabila. Defensive ang front ah. DPS look. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Wait. Chill. Nag-spread sila. Back.
Looking now.
Tagos, full south. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Deep engage now. North. 3, 2, 1. Pick up. Drop on mid. Back. Night armor now. Firewall. Nice, very good. Pull back. Don't kill it. God bless. 6 seconds. 4 seconds. Hold lang 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Dito na ako.
1 second. Wait. Chill. Okay, day in na. Nag-in. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Deep. North. Pop your boots. Full north. No. Cancel. Hold the bridge. Back a little bit. Counter now. We do counter now. 3, 2, 1. On mid. Pick up at mid. Follow. Back na. South. Okay, Judy then heal. 16 seconds.
Win Pacman.
8, 5, 4, 3,
Wait, bot.
2,
May isa isa.
gold. Gold sila, nag-gold sila.
Gold.
May coming na.
Defensive, defensive lang. All DPS dito kayo. Kaya magsuot kayo, magpasot kayo DPS na. Just look lang palagi sa crown ha, just look lang palagi. Just find the crown lang, pero wag kayo sasama sa gitna, DPS. Lalo yung mga clotty, wag kayo sasama sa gitna. Don't go in at the mid. Don't go in at the mid. Don't go in. Okay, follow. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Deep now. North. 3, 2, 1 on north now. Drop on north. Back. Nahold ka sa front.
Bigyan na.
Okay, chill lang.
Nawag ko sila na.
Chill. Sige. 13 seconds. Hold muna tayo. 10 seconds. 9. Let Carnage in. Back muna yung mga nasa front ha. Just back at the front. Back. Just do back. After none, snare church ha. After none, 3 seconds. Then 2 seconds. Then 1 second. We go deep now. Pop your boots. 3, 2, 1 on me. Drop all. Okay, back.
Defensive ako.
Okay, ito yan. QCW yung mga nasa front. QCW lang. QCW yung mga naiwan. QCW yung mga naiwan. Nice, okay. Ano? Defensive again. Pulin muna dito yung mga defensive, yung mga def tank natin. Mga def tank nakaka-stress yun.
Wait ako.
Dito counter 3 seconds ha. 2 seconds. Then 1 second. Deep north now. North. 3. No. 2 on 1. Drop on mid. Patayin nyo lang yung def tank. Nice, very good. Okay
Looking.
na.
Defensive.
Pull back. Nice, very good. Thank you. 12 seconds. 10 seconds. 6 seconds. QCWs lahat ang nasa front. QCWs, follow the crown na. QCWs lang, just do QCWs. Ready cleanse ha, ready guard rune ha, ready guard rune. After ng snare, after ng donut, 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 second. Deep north now. 3, 2, 1 on me. Drop on me. Back konti lang. Back. Judy din heal. Defensive. Full defensive at bridge. Let's do defensive at bridge. Defensive guys. Defensive. Nice counter.
What is the demon gago?
3 seconds. 2 seconds. Palo. Dikit sa crown. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Tagos. On me. On front line. 3, 2, 1 on me. Big clap. Drop now. Drop now.
Nice one.
Drop. Very good. Wow, run over.
Tips.
Try nyo na. Magiga kayo. Engage kayo tapos magiga. Kasi yung iba, tinakap minsan. Dapat magiga kayo.
DPS.
Awiga.
Good job, bro.
Yun, kiraya number 1.
Kiraya, instant lang.
Ito, kill this.